In less than 20 minutes, you will learn how to create a beautiful WordPress website like this. No coding or previous experience required. This is the About Us page. This is the Contact Us page. And this is the Services page. To get started, first you need to purchase a new hosting plan and domain. How to purchase a hosting and domain from namecheap.com. First, go to namecheap.com. From here, you can purchase domain. Also, you can purchase the hosting from here separately. Also, you will get other more services like WordPress, email, also SSL certificate. From here, you can purchase shared hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server, and also you can migrate another hosting from here. One of the cheapest hosting package is shared hosting. To get started, you can purchase shared hosting. Then later, you can purchase VPS hosting. Select shared hosting. From here, you will get 3 packages. This is the yearly subscription. From here, you can select monthly package, but monthly package cost will be very higher. So we will keep yearly. To get started, I will select the Stellar pack. Click Get Started. Now we have to purchase a new domain. From here, search what domain you want. I am going to search a domain, but it's not available. Someone already taken it. Alright, this domain is available at the moment. Now click Connect to Hosting. Then click Add to Cart. Keep everything the same. And confirm order. Now you need to create an account. Write here your username and password. First name and last name. Also email address. Create account and continue. Now fill up all the form. Your company name, job title, address, phone number, country and other thing. So our total cost is $22 after discount. Now click continue. From here, you need to pay $22. You can also pay with your credit card or PayPal. After you purchase, click continue. This is the dashboard of Namecheap. From here, you can see all of your domain. From here, you can see the hosting. If you click, go to See panel and it will take to the Control panel. From here, you can manage the domain, SSL. Also, you can build your website from here. How to install WordPress? Go to your cPanel. Then click Software App Installer. You can also install WordPress from here, but we will install the WordPress from here. Click Install. Keep it HTTPS. From here, you will be able to see your domain list. Select your domain. Then add your username and password. Also, you can add your email here, but I will keep it the same. Keep save the admin and the password. Also the email on your notepad. Now uncheck these unnecessary plugins and click Install. It will take a few moments, so we have to wait for it. Alright, our WordPress is installed successfully. After your domain name, write wp-admin, then open the URL. Now add here your username and password. Click login. Alright, here is the dashboard of our WordPress. From here you can manage your website, install plugin and other things. How to design and customize a WordPress website. Go to your WordPress admin panel. Before get started, we have to make some changes from the settings. Go to setting, then permalink. Select post name and save changes. Now you have to add some necessary plugins. Go to plugins. First delete the unnecessary plugins. Then click add plugin. Right here classic editor. Install it. Again search Elementor. Then install this plugin. Also install it. Now again go to plugin. Then active all of them. Alright. Now go to appearance, themes, then add themes. Right here on press. Install it. And active. Now delete the unnecessary themes. Again go to pages, add new page. Right here home. Select template as a canvas and publish. Again go to setting, then reading. Select statics page, then home, then save changes. Again go to pages, then edit. Now we will customize this page. This is your home page. Now we will import a ready-made themes. Click here. Here you will get the pro themes, but we will use free themes. Go here and select free. Alright. Scroll down. From here you can import any kind of theme you like. I am going to select this theme. Click insert. Now it's loading. Alright. This is our home page. Click publish. Our home page is ready now. Now again go to dashboard and pages. Again add new page. Right here about us. Select the template, canvas and publish. Edit with Elementor. Again do the same thing, but import the different themes. Select it. This is the design for the About Us page. Import it. It's imported. It's a beautiful theme. Again, go to your WordPress admin panel. Do the same thing. Right here, contact us. Edit with Elementor. Again, import the different design. Publish it again. Again, go to admin panel. Create another page with services. And publish it. Do the same thing. Import the services design. And publish it. Alright, finally you have created 4 pages. Home page, About Us, Contact Us, and Services. Now the final part is customization. This is so easy. Just select a text and from here edit it. Do the same thing. Write here what you want. You can customize everything. Also from here you can upload the photos. And you can change everything. After customize your website, click publish. You can customize all of your pages like this. This is so easy. How to add header and footer on your WordPress website. This is my website and I will add here a menu section and also I will add a footer section on here. Let's go back your website dashboard. Then go to appearance, menu, scroll down. This is our website pages. I will delete the unnecessary page. Then click create menu. Also select primary menu and you can also add more pages and custom link from here. After that click save menu. Alright. Now go to plugins, add plugins. Type here header and footer. Now install this plugin. And activate. Now again go to the installed plugin UAE header and footer. Click add new. Let's start with header. Right here header. Select the template as a header. Also select display entire website and click publish. Now click edit with Elementor. Select this icon. Go to section. From here select header. You will get a lot of header template, free and paid, but select the free you like. Click insert. This is our menu. You can customize the menu as you want. After customizing it, click publish. Let's see our menu. We have created the menu, but it does not showing on our home page. Let's solve the problem. Again go back to your dashboard, pages, go to home page and click quick edit. Change the template to full wide and update. Let's see again our website. Alright, the menu bar is showing now. Let's see our other pages. The header menu does not showing here. Again do the same thing. Go here and select Elementor full wide and update. Do the same thing with all of your pages. Let's see again. Alright, the menu is showing now. Now let's see how to add a footer section. Again go to UAE, header and footer, add new, right here footer, select option footer, also select entire website and publish. Now I will add a footer section on here. Let's do it. Click edit with Elementor. Click here. Go to section and from here select footer. Now insert the best footer design you like. I'm going to select this one. Alright, I got a beautiful footer design. After customizing your footer, click publish and let's see it again. This is our footer. Now let's remove it. Go back again. Click here and delete and publish. Let's see it again. Alright, our website is ready to publish.